Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be making colored acrylic out of chalk, and the chalk I purchased from Walmart for less than $3. So this is like a quick little hack if you're not trying to spend no bread on acrylic, because you know that stuff is expensive. The video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm going to just let it run out and I'll like chip in here and there, but I'll talk to y'all in a few. So I would suggest if you're gonna use clear acrylic, you should mix it with white, only because it will make the acrylic transparent. Like, that's pretty much what I learned from this experience, is mix the two. So I would say use mostly white. It just makes the color more solid. If you use clear, it's definitely 100% gonna be transparent, unless that's what you're going for. But like I said, this is why I'm making this video, because nobody told me. It's super important for you guys to make sure that the powder is as fine as possible. With the chalk, it's kind of thick, and then you want it to be the same consistency as the acrylic powder. So that's kind of the only thing I didn't like, that it takes a while to do. Like, you really have to like smash it up. I forgot what those things are called that people use to like smash herbs, but you should put it in that if you could. If not, you could take a regular like powder brush and use the end and like smash it up until it pretty much is fine. That is what I also learned. I also just want to say, don't try to come for me in the comments, because I am definitely not perfect. I'm definitely a whole beginner, so don't try to come crazy in the comments like you're not doing it right, because cut it. I don't even want to hear it.
Tomorrow for sure, eventually.
And that is the end of this video. So be sure to subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I have a few more videos that I still need to edit. So I'm trying to get the content out. Just be ready. Bye.